Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. This is 27th of December. So today I'd like us to start analysis with the chart on my screen. This is Euro USD. We have a very good resistance level here. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. There was this breakout here. So as we're speaking right now, the price is still headed to the lower upper side. So while the price is above this level as it is right now, we expect the buyers to continue to push price upwards. Our first target is fixed at this price. The next target is fixed at this price. So keep looking for buy positions from within around this line here. Expect that the buyers will continue to push price upwards with the first target at this price, the next target at this price here. Your stop loss should be fixed below the low of this candle. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking right now, you are supposed to be into a buy position as we're speaking now. You're supposed to pick a buy order where the price is now, have your stop loss below the low of this candle, then have your take profit at this price here. So that is my opinion on that chart. The next chart is Euro US GBP USD. It looks like this chart was sell for some times, but now it's heading to the upper side. So in my opinion, we are still into a sell on this chart. We are still sellers. So we had a very good support here. We had a very good, so we had a support here. We had a support, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. We had this break, we had a breakout, we had a pullback. So as I'm speaking now, the price is pulling back to the upper side. So within these two lines is actually the best place to look for a sell from. Within these two lines is the best place we want to look for a sell position from. When the price gets to this point, pick a sell position, have your stop loss above the high of this candle, then have your take profit here. So have your sell limit here, have your stop loss here, and have your take profit at this point here. My next chart, this is USD JPY. We are currently heading to the upper side. So the price is consolidating in an upward manner within a shape. So we have that. We have that. We have a support, there is a break below, we have a support, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a support, we have a support, there is this breakout. So as it is right now, we may want to look for a sell when the price gets to this point. This is the best place to look for a sell position from, around 133.960. If the price comes up and touches these two lines, these are going to be the best places to look for a sell from. So should the price pull back and touch these two lines, we are going to be looking for a sell position. Our stop loss is fixed at the high of this candle, the high of this candle. Our first target is this one. So if the price pulls back and touches these two lines, we are going to look for a sell position. Our stop loss is going to be here. We expect that the sellers may break below this point and continue to push price to the lower side. The next chart is the Brent oil. This is also heading to the upper side. So we had a shape which formed previously. There's another one currently forming. We have that. This is a converging wedge formation. We have another one, another converging wedge formation. So as it is right now, expect that the buyers this is a support, there's a break below, there is a break above, there is a support, there is a break below, there is a resistance, there is a resistance. If the price comes up and touches this line, this is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. My next chart is the SP500. So on this chart, we are likely to see the buyers take control. We're likely to see the buyers take control. We are actually waiting for a sell from around this point. We had a very good support. There is a break below. We had a resistance. If the price comes up and touches this line, that is going to be a good place to look for a buy from. So entirely that's what we expect to happen. If the price comes up and touches this line, this is going to be a good place to be looking for a sell from. The next chart is gold. So on gold, so far we have a very good resistance, and then we have another good support. So we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance. If the price goes up and touches this trend line, this is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. So expect that the buyers will push price upwards up to that level. When the price gets there, this is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. So this will be the ideal place we want to look for a sell position from. We are expecting that the sellers will push price downwards at least up to this point here. So this is a sell up to this target. If this line is broken, expect that the buyers will continue to push price upwards. So thank you very much. This should be the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.